In this video, I will show you how to create a pie chart with percentages in Excel. We use a simple example with product sales. Here I have 4 products and the number of units sold for each one. The first step is to find the total numbers of sales. Use the sum function to add all the values. Now we need to calculate the percentage for each product. The first cell, type an equal sign, select the sales value for the first product, type /, then select the total sales cell. Here I'm going to lock the cell reference so I can drag the formula. So I just press the F4 key like this. Press enter, and I use the fill handle to apply the formula to the remaining cells. Now, format the cells as percentage. Great, now we have the percentage of each product. The next step is to create the pie chart. Select the product names, press Ctrl, and select the percentage values. Go to the Insert tab, click Pie Chart, then choose 2D Pie Chart. Your chart is now ready. If you don't see the percentage on your chart, click at Chart Elements button and turn Data Labels. And that's it. Now your pie chart clearly shows how much each product represents as a percentage of total sales. I hope this video helped, and if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.